Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha. There is a very beautiful saying, Jaisa khai ann, vaisa hoye man, vaisa hoye tan, vaisa hoye jeevan. It absolutely depends on your diet, what kind of body you will be having, what kind of mind, emotions, and feelings you will be having, and what kind of life you will be having. It is very, very important that we should have a proper diet regime if we want to deal with any physical or mental ailment. And that's the reason that we have decided. Uh, you all know that Team Bharat Yoga is serving in best possible way in so many ways at this crucial time of pandemic, and bringing awareness through our media is also one of those ways. We have already shared several videos with you, and we are really, really happy, glad, and grateful to Paramatma and Vandani Gurudev that we are receiving such positive response from people. Dear everyone, students, followers, viewers, we are really, really happy, and it motivates us a lot when we read so many comments that Acharya ji, with that video of yours, I have healed this. With that video of yours, I have come out of this problem. Keep sending us your feedback. That is something which keeps us motivated. And because of your feedback and because of the several requests we have received, we are making a video on what whole day diet one should be taking at this crucial time. We have already shared the same video in Hindi at our Hindi YouTube channel, which is Bharat Yoga, and this video will be shared on Bharat Yoga English. Also on our different social media platforms like Facebook, Koo app, and Twitter and other platforms, people have asked us to share some videos in English so that it reaches maximum people, and even those who don't understand Hindi can understand these videos. So let's begin with the diet. The very first most important thing is that you should know, once you are heavy at stomach, once you eat something which creates acidity or indigestion in you, indigestion, acidity, gastric is something which straight away affects your respiration, and this is a virus that's affecting your respiratory system. You must have seen, if you feel bloated, if you feel acidic, what do you say? I'm not able to breathe. That is the first sentence you say. You feel like there is a hindrance in your breathing. So it's very important that you keep light at stomach, but this is also important that you take a nutritious diet. So let's begin from early in the morning when you wake up. So the first thing you should put inside your body is turmeric tea. I have already shared a recipe of this turmeric tea. This is going to work wonders for you, because turmeric is a very basic ingredient of Indian diet. Whether we talk about South India, North India, or anywhere in India, turmeric is used in every single recipe. But this is unfortunate that West is doing so many researches on turmeric, but we have somehow stopped taking turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best foods you can have to have. Like, it works as an antibiotic, it works as an anti-infectious food. There are amazing benefits of turmeric. So how do you make this turmeric tea? I have already shared the recipe, but still I'll just repeat it for all those who have not seen that video. Take water and boil it. In this water, while boiling, you have to put 2 3 ingredients. One is turmeric. If you can have the raw turmeric, which looks like ginger, like the shape is like ginger, but it is turmeric because it is dark yellow from inside. So you mash turmeric properly and put it in this water. If you don't have the raw turmeric, then you can have the powder which you have in your kitchen, and you can put that powder in it. Second ingredient is basil leaves. Put 2 to 3 basil leaves in this water. Third ingredient is cinnamon, which is known as dalchini. So mash dalchini, mash cinnamon, or you take the cinnamon powder and put it in the water, and let it boil. Once, if you can have giloy, that is amazing. But if you don't have giloy, then even turmeric, basil, and cinnamon is also enough. Boil it and pour it in a cup or a glass, and then mix half lemon juice in it. Lemon, so that you should not have the deficiency of vitamin C, because right now, to fight this virus, it's very important that we should have ample vitamin C in our body. So this is your turmeric tea. Make sure you begin your day with this turmeric tea. It is going to boost your immunity. It is going to give you more strength and more power to fight with the virus and to fight with different diseases and infections. So this is the first thing. Then we come to the before breakfast time. Before breakfast, it is always better to have soaked almonds, which you should soak a night before. So 5 soaked almonds. Make sure every night you take 2 bowls, 1 bowl and 1 glass. In 1 bowl, soak 5 almonds per person, and in another bowl, soak 11 raisins, kishmish, in a complete glass of water, drinkable water. Next morning, after taking turmeric tea before breakfast, you should eat these soaked almonds and you should drink the water of raisins in which raisins were soaked. जो किशमिश का पानी है उसको पीना है, and then eat these kishmish. Now this raisin water is going to help you in increasing your it is not going to let the iron deficiency happen in your body, and it increases your hemoglobin. It helps in anemia, and once you are not anemic, no iron deficiencies there, you're in a better condition to fight with any kind of disease or virus. Now let's come to breakfast. I always recommend that you have a plate of fresh fruits in breakfast. And I would again say it is always better to have a full plate of fresh fruits in breakfast, but there are few people who find it tough to have only fruits in breakfast, and they find it acidic, and they find it that it creates gas in their body. If you are not used to of anything, don't go for any kind of experiment during this crucial time. Please listen to this advice carefully. No changes in your diet are recommended during this time. Changes in the sense, no extreme changes, but definitely you should go and move towards the healthier diet options. So if you are not used to having only fruits in the morning, then you can have some very popular homemade recipes for breakfast like poha. Another option is upama. Another option is idli, but no heavy parathas in the morning for breakfast. So please avoid that if you're taking it. So these are some very light breakfast options, but make sure you don't skip your breakfast. Along with these, you can have a glass full of fresh juice. If you cannot have a glass full of fresh juice, you can have a glass full of coconut water. But at least one drink should be there out of these two in your breakfast. Now we come to mid-morning, like before lunch and after breakfast. Let's say if you had your breakfast at 9, so this is going to be your 11 a.m. food. At 11, what you have to take is, if you have taken poha, idli or upma in morning, you must take a fruit at 11 a.m. But if you have already taken fruits in morning during your breakfast time, this is the time you should have nuts. So you can have 4 kaju, 4 kishmish, and 4 akroot, not the full akroot, the half ones which are already peeled off. So make sure that you have nuts in as your mid-morning meal. Now we come to lunch. If your lunch time is 1 p.m., you should have a fixed time for lunch. If your lunch time is 1 p.m., then make sure that at 12:30 you should drink 2 glasses of water. This is very, very important. If lunch is at 1, 12:30, you should be drinking 2 glasses of water. At 1, you should be eating a plate full of salad. Yes, any kind of vegetable which can be eaten raw. It can be cucumber, tomato, beetroot, any kind of like mixture of all those vegetables which you can eat raw. So make sure you have a plate full of salad. Then at 1:30, you should have your lunch, but make sure you are taking only one grain at one time. No chawal and roti together. So either it will be only chawal or it will be only chapati, but a bowl full of vegetable, whatever is cooked, a bowl full of dal, whatever is cooked, and you can also have yogurt or mattha, buttermilk, But if you are having infection, I would not recommend you to take mattha or buttermilk. But after recovery, because we are seeing so many patients who have seen the side effects of taking so many antibiotics, so they feel that uh, you know their body needs probiotic, and for that it is always recommended to take mattha, buttermilk, or yogurt. So this is about your lunch. Then we come to evening snack, which is, evening snack is the time when you are most hungry, but unfortunately also the time when you eat most unhealthy food. It can be chai and biscuit or chai and namkeen. And Vandani Gurudev always say biscuit means vishkut. They say biscuit is vishkut. विष इसमें भरा हुआ है कूट कूट के. So don't go for any packed biscuit or namkeen or anything. I would suggest you can go for popcorn, which can be made easily at home. You can go for kurmura. Kurmura is very, very light, and in among all these states of India, kurmura is taken in different forms. In Bengal, we say jhal muri. Somewhere we say bhel puri. So different kind of forms are there to take kurmura. So you can take kurmura. Most healthy is if you can have makhana. Makhana is something which can be taken very easily, roasted makhana, and very, very healthy. So, or maybe peanuts. So these are 4 different options I have given you. Or you can just have a glass full of fresh juice, or again, a glass full of nariyal pani, the coconut water. Then comes dinner. I have always been advocating for having your dinner before 7. It's been years that I'm telling everyone, please have your dinner before 7 if you want to keep healthy, if you want to stay healthy, because it is really a bad idea to go to bed with a heavy stomach. It results into not just obesity, but it results into so many problems. So it's always better that you finish your dinner by 7. And for dinner, best thing you can eat is khichdi. Khichdi with dal chawal, like dal chawal in it, and lot of veggies also. But if you cannot make khichdi, though, I think everywhere in India, every state, they know how to make khichdi. They call it with different names, but khichdi is everywhere. If you cannot have khichdi, then you can just have a bowl of soup. If you cannot have even soup, then maybe you can just have half bowl of dal chawal. Let's keep it very, very light for dinner. Now, this is your last meal. You should not be eating anything after that. But before going to bed, you can have a glass full of cow milk with a pinch of turmeric in it. Again, why turmeric? I've already shared the benefits of turmeric in the beginning itself. So it's very important that you finish your day with a glass of turmeric milk. These are some very easy ways you can keep yourself healthy. I've already shared so many other ways in my other videos. If there is any question, any query which you want to share with us, which you want us to answer, which you want Team Bharat Yoga to take up, please send your queries and we will try to come up with a solution. But make sure that prayers have immense power. Let's all pray together for the well-being of humanity at large, for the well-being of our planet, for the well-being of each and everyone and each and everything. Take out time to do something that you love doing most, and make sure that at least 15 to 20 minutes you should be doing some spiritual activity, which is very, very important. Diet plays an important role in your health. Make sure you follow this diet plan and stay healthy. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Hari Om. Jai Hind.